Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are taking it back to the beginning. We're doing a DIY today, you guys. This is what I started my channel doing and I'm so excited to get back into this. So if you guys are following, you guys would know that as of the last couple of months or so, I have been trying to fix up my apartment. I started off by painting, purchasing some other furniture pieces for my apartment, and I decided I'm gonna kind of take it room by room and until I'm happy with everything. So today we are going to be working on some wall art for my bathroom. I came across an image on Instagram. I wish I could find it and insert it. But it was a wall art idea and yeah, I was just like, I'm gonna try to recreate this. So in the dollar store one day, I was in the photo album aisle and I seen picture frames that I really liked and I was like, hey, maybe I can use this to do it. So if you are, interested in home decor, in DIYs, in frugal DIY ideas that you can do yourself, you'll be interested and you would want to stay tuned and continue watching this video. All right, so for this DIY, what you're gonna need are some photo frames. Now, you can adjust this to how you guys want it. You can add more. I don't think you can add less. I think the minimum that you're probably gonna need for this project is 5. So I have 4 8x10 photo frames and I have one 4x6. You can get a 5x7. Again, as I said, you can get them all 8x10s or all 5x7s, all 4x6s. It depends on how you want it to look. After you see the finished product, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, minimum, you're gonna need 5, 4 the same size, 1 smaller. That's how I decided to go for this project. Along with that, you're gonna need some glue sticks as well as a glue gun and some scissors to open up the picture frames. All right, so first thing that we're gonna do is just remove the plastic from the picture frame. All right, so once we've done that, once we've removed all the plastic from our picture frames, the next thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is remove the backs. So we're gonna take out the backs of all the picture frames, we're gonna take out the paper, and we're also gonna remove the glass. So what you should be left with is just the frame itself. And once you're taking them out, the next thing that you can do is kind of push the little hooks that you have here, all the way to the back so that they're nice and flat because we're gonna be gluing these down. So you should be left with these and this. Now, us crafters know that we don't necessarily throw anything away. So I'm gonna be keeping these for a next project that I may come and show you guys if you guys will be interested. If you guys are on the internet and you guys have been seeing all these acrylic signs, table numbers, signages for welcome signs, baby showers, birthday parties, stuff like that, this is a really cheap alternative to use for those signs. So I think I'm gonna keep this for next DIY. So if you're interested and you'd like to see that, just comment down below and let me know. So I'm just gonna keep these to the side. If you want, you're not gonna use them, you can throw them away by all means. Right, so now your glue gun should have been plugged in and waiting for you, ready to go. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 of our 8x10s and we're just gonna have them side by side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna glue the inside of the short end, so I guess the 8-inch part of the frames, we're gonna glue right here, and we're gonna just stick these 2 together. So 2 out of the 4 8x10s we're gonna stick together. Now, if you guys, these frames are really light, so all I have to use is my glue gun. If you guys have heavier frames, I would suggest using E6000 glue along with the glue gun, just so that it holds together when you're gonna hang this up. So you should have one piece after you've glued everything together. All right, now next what we're gonna do is we are going to glue, not this, but we're gonna glue this side. So we're gonna glue one side of the 3rd frame, and we're gonna attach it to the 2 that we already have going here. So we're just gonna add our glue. And attach it. Yeah. And then for the last 8x10 frame, we're gonna glue one of the 8-inch sides and one of the 10-inch sides. And then glue that into the final corner, so we will have one big square now. So you guys should have this at the end. All right, and then last, we're just gonna go ahead and add that into the middle. Now for this part, what I do, I'm not gonna glue here because I wanna make sure that it's even when I look in on the inside. So if you gotta stand up just to make sure, first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue, if you see on my frame, I have 2 parts that I can glue. So I'm just gonna try to glue in the middle section. You're not gonna really see it on the back anyway, so it's fine if there's a little bit of excess glue. And then I'm gonna try to find the middle, and then I'm just gonna place it into the center of my photo frame. Once you have that glued, again, just find your center. It's gonna take a little bit, you know, glue guns, it dries really quick, so just take a second, find your center, there it is, and just press down. Yep, and there you have it, guys. And this should be how your finished project looks. I love it. I think it's so simple, but it's so cute and it's different. I haven't necessarily seen anything like this, but I know if I was supposed to buy this in store, it would be hella expensive. So if you guys try this, definitely tag me, let me see it. And you can choose any kind of photo frame. I specifically would choose ones that have like flat sides that you can glue together. You know, some frames kind of have a little curve into it, so try to find ones that are flat so that when you glue them together, they'll make like the perfect they'll come together perfectly, if you get what I'm saying, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick home decor DIY photo frame dollar store thingy. As you can see, this project was literally only $5 because I had already the glue gun, the glue sticks. I just needed the photo frames. So again, depending on how much you want to spend, what your budget is, how many you want to make, that will all be up to you. For me, it only cost me $5. And I love it. I absolutely love it. If there's anything else you guys want me to dibble and dabble in terms of DIYs, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. Don't forget to like, comment, and obviously subscribe, share the video as well so it can help somebody else out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.